everyone, and welcome to Gierok Farms. In today's video we have an exciting one for you, something a bit different. We are going to be hauling a load of lumber over to a barn that we're going to be able to stack it up and store it in and dry it nice. So it's a pretty cold day. The roads are froze, and that's why we're going. We got to take a tractor. It's going to be a pretty big load. If you guys have been watching the videos, you've seen that Dad sawed up this log that we got stacked on the trailer. A lot of good lumber here, so we're going to try to store it in a nice spot where it can dry and cure and make some really good construction material one day. So anyways, thank you all for watching. Starting off here, we got to get the trailer all situated, and then we'll go get the tractor fired up.
They can be years for this
All right, so we have some pretty long pieces on here, some 24 footers. So we couldn't have this ramp up here. It's too bad he didn't plan and have that on the inside, but it's okay. I think I should be able to get it out as long as it isn't froze into the ground. He's getting the skid steer fired up right now. We're gonna add to this trailer, make one really big load and make the trip count. All right, we got the load all tied down and put together. I'm gonna hop in my pickup and go down to the other shed and grab the Magnum. We're gonna take the heavy tractor over there, being it's we gotta climb a ridge. I think more weight to the ground, the better off we're gonna be. You gotta think that's that big cottonwood, you know, minus the bark and some of the side pieces. Putting a whole log behind a pickup, I don't know about that. I'm sure it could do it, but crossing them ridges when it's slick here, I don't think that's the best idea. So we'll just take the tractor. think we're ready to go. We got the log chain as a safety chain since the other ones don't quite reach, and with this kind of load it's probably better to have a heavier safety chain anyways. But we'll be taking off here shortly, and we'll see you guys over at that storage barn. And we are off. Wish me luck. Hopefully she holds on back there. I'm not too worried about the level ground. It's just climbing that ridge. It's for, hopefully we don't spin out going up it or kick out sideways coming down it. That would be no fun. Okay, we made it up the hill. That the second to the hardest part is done there when it comes to the commute. And behind me, the support vehicle is here. That's good to know. They can watch me slide down the hill if that does occur. I don't think we're gonna. This is a pretty heavy unit here, so when hauling something heavy, if the vehicle that's hauling it is heavier than the load, then you're probably all right. But I think with that pickup, I think that pickup would have got pushed around coming down that hill, and probably would have spun out trying to get up it. Being that it's a lot lighter than what's on the trailer. It's just physics right there. Midway through the video here, I want to remind you guys to check out GierokFarms.com. That's our very own website. We got some of these awesome hats on there, some t-shirts and some hoodies as well. And yeah, get them while you can. I restocked a bunch of different colors. Anyways, we're well over halfway, so we'll get to the barn that I'm going to be storing this in. And we'll see, maybe we'll get it all stacked up today. All right, we made it. Safe and sound. Now we got to figure out how to get this unloaded efficiently. Get too damp down there to put wood down there. What's that?
Put all the short stuff in first.
Yeah, we can maybe do separate piles.
Yeah. Been better to put the trailer there.
right, we got all the short pieces off the trailer. We're gonna move over now and unload all this really long stuff. That's gonna be a team effort there, trying to wrestle those long boards up there. There's the finished product. We got this one long pile right here in the center with those 24 footers. And then we got these two piles back here. Heck of a lot of lumber stacked up in a short amount of time. But we're losing daylight, so I'm gonna hurry up, get in the tractor, and hopefully get back to the home farm by the time it gets dark. All right, we got the tractor home wagon or the trailer unhooked. What'd you think, Dad, of getting that all stickered up and seeing all your hard work stored away now?
Yeah, it's kind of like putting hay away. It's always work, but it's a good feeling. That's a fine pile of lumber you got there. That's some nice stuff. So
it should last a long time now.
I mean, use it for whatever.
Yeah, but anyways, we're gonna end off the video here. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for coming along, and we will see you all next time.